Welcome back to my channel KK Tutorials. Today I'll continue with chapter number 9, that is decimal fraction. Okay, this is part 2 of decimal fraction. So we'll start with problem set 40 today. Okay, now first of all, before solving problem set 40, I want to tell you half. Half means 1 upon 2. Okay, that is equal to 1 upon 2 multiplied by 5. That is 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So we write 0.5 because here it is 10. Okay, the denominator is 10. Or again, if half is written, we write 1 into 50, 2 into 50. 1 into 50 is 50 upon 100. So we write in this manner, in decimal form, 0.50. Okay. Now, a quarter. What do you mean by quarter? Quarter means 1 upon 4. Okay. So 1 upon 4 into 25. 1 into 25 and 4 into 25 will give you 25 upon 100. In decimal form, we write 0.25. Okay. Now, what do you mean by 3 quarter? 3 quarter means 3 upon 4. So, 3 into 25 will give you 75 and 4 into 25 will give you 100. That means in decimal form we write 0.75. Now, what do you mean by 1 and a quarter? 1 and a quarter means 1 upon 4. We write 1.25. Okay, quarter means 25. See here also quarter. Quarter means 25. So 1.25. Now 1 and a 3 quarter. 3 quarter means 3 upon 4. So we write 1.75. Okay, 3 quarter means 75. 1 quarter means 25. Okay, and half means we can consider 50 as I told you before. Now 12 and a half. How we write 12 and a half? 12, 1 upon 2. 12 and a half this is. So in decimal form we write 12.50 or we can write 12.5 also. Okay, understood this much? Okay, so now we'll solve problem set 40. Write the following fraction as decimal fractions. Okay, so sum number 1, 2 and a half. What do you mean by 2 and a half? 2 and a half. Okay. Now, how we write this? 2.50 or we can write 2.5 also. Okay. Now, 2 and a quarter. 2 and a quarter means 1 upon 4. Quarter means 1 upon 4. So, how you write this? 2.25. Okay. Now, 2 and 3 quarter. 3 quarter means 3 upon 4. We write 2.75. When 3 quarter comes, we write 75. Okay. Now, 10 and a half. 10 and a half. So, you will write 10.50. Okay. Now, 14 and 3 quarter. 14 and 3 quarter. That means 3 upon 4. So, how you write? 14.75. 16 and a quarter. 16 a quarter means 1 upon 4. So you will write 16.25. 28 and a half. 28 and a half. So you will write, understood this much? You will write 28.5. Easy? So now we'll solve problem set 41. Okay? Convert the following into decimal fractions and add them. Okay? So first sum, 1.5 meter and 2.5 meter. Okay? So what do you mean by 1.5 meter? 1.5 meter means 1.5. Okay? And 2.5 meter. 2.5. I taught you all before. Okay? So 1.5 meter and 2.5 meter. They have told us to add them. So we have to add. 5 plus 5 is 10. So 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay? So 4.0 meter. Understood? Now, second sum. 5.75 rupees and 7.25 rupees. Okay? So 5.75 means what? 5.75 means 75 rupees. Okay? 3/4 means 75 and 7.25. 7 point. A quarter means how much? 25. A quarter means 1/4. Okay? So now add. 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry 1. 7 and 1 is 8. Plus 2, 10. 5 and 1 is 6. 6 plus 7, 13. So 13 rupees. Easy? Okay? Now, sum number 3. 6.5 meter and 3.75 meter. Okay? So, 6.5. Half means what? 50. Okay? Right? And 3.75. 3.75 means how much? 75. Understood? Now add. 0 and 5 is 5. 5 and 7 is 12. Carry 1. 6 and 1 is 7. Plus 3. 10. Meters. Okay? You have to solve in this manner. Quarter. If they are asking quarter, means 25. If they are asking half, 50. And if 3/4, so you take 75. Okay? Okay. Now, we will add the following. Okay? 23.4 plus 87.9. So, I'll teach you how to add. First, you have to write this number. 23.4. Okay? Now, when you are taking the second number, first of all, you will write point over here. Before point, what it is? 7. Before 7, 8. Okay? And after the point, it is 9. If you write in this manner, your sum will not be wrong. Okay? So, 9 plus 4 is how much? 13. 3, carry 1. Okay? 7 and 3 plus 1. 7 and 3, 10 plus 1, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay? Understood? Now, sum number 2. First of all, you write 37.74 plus. Now, here it is 816.6. So what you will do? First of all, you write point. Before point, what comes? 6. Before 6, what comes? 1. And before 1, 8. Okay. Now, and after the point, 6. So 6 will come here, not here. Some children are writing 6 over here. That is wrong. Okay. You can write here 0. Okay. Now add 4. 7 and 6, 13. 5 and 1, 6. 6 and 6 is 12. 3 and 1, 4 and 1, 5. And here 8. So here point will come. Okay. Understood? Now, sum number 3. 6.95 plus 74.88. So first you will write this number. 6.95. Okay. And as I told you, first you will write point. Then before point what number comes? 4, and before 4, 7. And after the point, 8, and again over here 8. Plus 8 and 5 is how much? 13. 3 carry 1. 9 and 1, 10. 10 and 8, 18. Okay. 6 and 1, 7. 7 and 4, 11. 1 carry 1 over here. 7 and 1 is 8. Put point over here. Now sum number 4. Okay. 41.03 plus. Now point before point 9. Okay. And after the point 9, 8. Understood? Now 8 plus 3, 11. 1 carry 1 here. 9 and 1 is 10. 0 carry 1. 9, 10, 11. 1. 4 and 1, 5. Put point over here. Okay? Understood? In this manner you have to add. Where point is there, put point and in doing this manner. Okay? Now, question number 3. First sum, 51.4 centimeters and 68.5 centimeters. Okay? You have to do in same manner. 51.4 plus here again the point before point 8, 6 and here it will come 5. This is also centimeter and this is also centimeter. Okay. 5 plus 4 is how much? 9. Point. 8 plus 1 is how much? 9. 6 and 5 is how much? 11. Your answer will come in centimeter. Okay? Understood? Now, 94.7 meters. Now, again, put point before point 8, before 8, 3, before 3, 7, and before 7, 1. Okay? And after the point, here it will come 4 and here it will come 5 meters. Okay? Now, you will have to add. Nothing is over here above 5, so you can write 0. Okay? Now, 5 plus 0 is how much? 5. 7 and 4, 11. 1. Carry over here 1. 8 and 4. 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Carry 1. 9 and 1 is how much? 10. 10 plus 3 is how much? 13. 3. Again carry 1. 7 and 1 is how much? 8. 1. Put point and here it will come meters. Okay? Understood this much? Now, we'll move to sum number 3. 5, 1, 5, 8.75. This is in rupees. Okay? Don't forget to write rupees. Now add. Put the point first of all. Before point what comes? 1, 4, 8. And after the point 2, 5. Okay. Now add. 5 and 5, 10. Carry 1. 7 and 1, 8 plus 2, 10. 8 and 1, 9 plus 1, 10. 5 and 1, 6. 6 plus 4, again 10. 8, 9, 10. Carry 1. 5 and 1, 6. Point will come here and the answer will come in rupees. Don't forget to write rupees. Okay? Okay. Now we'll solve problem set 42. Sum number 1. That is subtract the following. Okay? Now, first sum 25.74 minus 13.42. So, we'll write 25.74 minus 13.42. Okay. Now, 4 minus 2 is how much? 2. 7 minus 4 is how much? 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. And 2 minus 1 is 1. Point will come here where it is. Okay. Understood this sum? Now, we'll move to second sum. Now, 206.35 minus, how I taught you how to write this way, 8, 6, 1 and after point 22. Okay. 5 minus 2 is how much? 3. 3 minus 2, 1. From 6 we can't remove 8. So what we have to do? We have to borrow from here. But here it is 0. So we will borrow from here. So from 2 we will not directly borrow here. First from cut this 2, write 1 over here. Okay. What will remain over here? 1. Now this will become 10. From 10 we will take 1 over here. So what will remain? What will remain here? 9. Okay. So 16 minus 8 is how much? 8. 9 minus 6 is how much? 3. And 1 minus 1 is how much? 0. Okay. No need to write. This is the answer. Understood? Now sum number 3. 63.4 minus, you write this way, point, before point 1, before 1, 3. And after the point what will come? 8. Okay. But from 4 can you minus 8? No. So we will borrow from 3. When we are borrowing from 3, we will take 1 over here. What will remain here? 2. 14 minus 8 is how much? 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. And 6 minus 3 is 3. Easy? Now, we'll move to sum number 4. 63.43. Okay. Minus. First of all, write point over here. Before point what comes? 1. And before 1, 3. And after the point what comes? 8. So 8 you will write over here. Some children are writing over here. That is wrong. So you have to write just after the point. Now you can subtract. You can write 0 over here. Okay. 3 minus 0 is how much? 3. From 4, can you take out 8? No. So what you will borrow? You will borrow 1 from 3. When you are borrowing 1 from this 3, how much will remain over here? 2. Okay. Now 14 minus 8 is how much? 6. 2 minus 1 is how much? 1. 6 minus 3 is how much? 3. Okay. Now Don't forget to write point, okay? Now, we'll move to sum number 5. 63.4 minus, put point 1, 3. After point, what will come? 8, and you write 3 over here. Now, above 3, nothing is there. So, what you will write? 0. Okay. But from 0, you can't minus 3. So, you will borrow from 4. From 4, when you take 1 over here, how much will remain here? 3. 10 minus 3 is how much? 7. Now, from 3, can you take out 8? No. So, you will borrow from this 3. Carry 1. What will remain here? 2. 13 minus 8 is how much? 5. 2 minus 1 is how much? 1. 6 minus 3 is how much? 3. Don't forget to put the point. Understood this much? Now, we'll move to sum number 6. 8.23 minus 0.5 and write here 45. Okay. Again, from 3, can you take out 5? No. So what you will do, you'll borrow from 2. When you're borrowing from 2, here it will come 1, and what will remain over here? Only 1. So 13 minus 5 is how much? 8. From 1, can you take out 4? No. So you'll borrow from 8. From 8, we'll borrow here 1, and here how much it will remain? 7. 11 minus 4 is how much? 7. 7 minus 5 is how much? 2. Okay? It's very easy. Do it slowly. Okay? Okay. Now question number 2. Vrinda was 1.48 meters tall. Okay? After a year, her height became 1.53 meters. How many centimeters did her height increase in a year? Now, her height became how much? 1.53 meters. Okay. Vrunda was 1.40 meters tall. Height had 1.48 meters. Okay. What they have asked, how many centimeters did her height increase in a year? So what we'll do, we will subtract. From 3 we can't subtract 8, so we'll borrow from here. Here 4. 13 minus 8 is how much? 13 minus 8. 5. 4 minus 4 is how much? 0. 1 minus 1 is how much? 0. So 0.05 meters. Okay, we got this answer. But they have asked how many centimeters did her height increase in a year. They have asked in centimeters. Okay, we got the answer in meters. So when 0.05 meters, we can convert this in centimeters. Okay, you know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, you know this. So 0.05 multiplied by 100 will give you 5 centimeter. That means you can write the answer. How many centimeters did her height increase in a year? Answer In a year, her height increased by 5 centimeters. Don't forget to write centimeters because they have asked us in centimeters. Okay. Okay. So now we have completed chapter number 9, that is decimal fraction. Okay. And how did you like my video? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay. Thank you.